But I also was very attracted to the skill set that I wanted to learn, which really was two foundational pillars. I wanted to, of course, be an Excel monkey, have that skill set, but as well, on top of that, I wanted to also be able to present to clients really and have real meaningful relationships with clients and be comfortable in those situations. And, on top of that, I love to travel. So it was just a natural fit for me.
Yeah, and when you kind of came into so sophomore year, you knew like you wanted to do management consulting already? Or like when did you kind of think this is what I'm going to do? Or was it more like you were applying to like corporate finance, for FDL, FLDP programs, stuff like that, like during your junior year as well?
No, yeah, I didn't apply to any corporate finance as much. I knew I wanted to get, either a consulting or banking career
Cool.
out of school. But yeah, I was more attracted to the consulting lifestyle and the consulting ways of working. So it just felt like a natural fit at the time.
Mhm.
Yeah.